Hey, how's it going? It's your man David down at Crosstown, Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Toyota Corolla LE in a slate metallic exterior color. Let's take a closer look right now. Giving power to the Toyota Corolla is a 1.8 liter dual VVTi 4-cylinder engine. This engine is fuel efficient. You'll be saving some cash down the road with the Corolla because it is very good on gas. There is a fantastic amount of footroom in the back seat. Headroom is also fantastic throughout. When you first look at this interior, your first thought is, oh, it's two-tone. But actually, these are just seat protectors. So the seats are tan, but I think the seat protectors look really good in the front and back seats. Pull out cup holders in the back seat. Boom, and there you go. Some of the air vents are pretty cool. Close, open. Very neat. Here's the glove box. It is very spacious. Power windows, power locks, window lock, automatic driver's side window. Don't forget power mirrors. If you include some of the black color on the dash and in the middle console area and on the doors, I guess you could say it is still a two-tone interior. The Corolla does have keyless entry. You can also use this key to start up this car. This car also has aftermarket remote start. Beautiful thing to have in the wintertime. Easily pop open the trunk by holding this button right here. There is a fantastic amount of space in the trunk. Lots of room for anything you want. Groceries, luggage, tools, you name it. Spare tire and a jack if you ever need it. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Toyota. Here are the climate controls. Easily adjust the fan speed, adjust the temperature, air conditioning, recirculate button, adjust where you want the air to go, front defrost, rear window defroster, and this does have the auto feature, USB and auxiliary ports connected to your media, heated front seats, you have a low setting and you have a high setting, convenient power outlet, backup camera and guidelines, reading lamps, also interior lighting, soft touch steering wheel, feels good in the hands, good looking instrument cluster, only 21,945 kilometers on this car. Yes, this has adaptive cruise control. Automatic headlamps, steering wheel mounted audio controls, Bluetooth controls on the right. Using this button here, you can go through the information center, which is right there. Bluetooth and voice recognition. You'll play music off of Bluetooth devices as well as make hands-free phone calls. This is a touchscreen media area. You have your setup here. Customize this vehicle, have it the way that you want it to be. Go car, tells you how long you've been running for, fuel range, average vehicle speed, and that's really nice to have. You now know what it is. It's the 2017 Toyota Corolla LE in a slate metallic exterior, powered by a 1.8 liter dual VVTi 4-cylinder engine. If you're looking for a car that's good on gas, good looking, and has lots of features, and is comfortable, look no further than this Toyota Corolla. It's down at Crosstown. Come book a test drive today. I'm your man, David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah!